Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So today, y'all know what today is. Y'all already know what today is. Tuesday. Tuesday, y'all. Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Yes. Your girl did her some good old homemade, delicious, goodness tacos, healthy tacos. I didn't want no shells, no nothing, but some lettuce. That y'all get a good look. Good look at them tacos. Yes. Then you know I gotta have that crunch. Got some pork skins right here. Let's get a grace and we're gonna get it in. God is good, God is great. Let us thank you for the good about the recipe. Amen. So y'all make me a delicious smoothie. This is my first meal of the day. So yeah. How y'all been doing? It's Tuesday. Y'all get y'all some tacos in. Get you some tacos in. Yes. Get you some good old tacos in today. Don't go buy no tacos. Ain't that like some good old homemade tacos? And then but like some good old homemade tacos. Whew. Oh, baby, I don't know how I'm gonna eat this, but I'm sure gonna eat it. We're gonna turn this plate around like this. So I can take a bite. Y'all, they gonna get messy. I was gonna do some keto cheese tacos. But they get soggy. The shell gets soggy too quick for me. By the time you put all your stuff on there, your shell then got soggy, so. Y'all want to take the first bite, or y'all gonna let me take the first bite? Which one? It's up to you. I'm trying to pick it up. Mmm. Yeah, that's good right there. Then it ain't no ground beef, it's ground turkey. Man. Told y'all these gonna get a little bit messy. Mmm. I gotta have them skin for the crunch. These are some keto pork skin, y'all. Now I've been drinking water since I hit the floor this morning, so I was like, why not make you a good smoothie for your lunch? But anyway, how y'all day going? Hope everyone having a good day. Mmm. The weather is good outside. It's pretty. That right there is blessing. It's nice and pretty outside. It's a good taco. One thing about eating lettuce, you can expect the messy. Mm. Feel like it's been a minute since I ate some tacos. Mm. And then like some good old taco. Mm-hmm. Some of these pork skin to the side. What y'all got going on today? What y'all doing? What y'all cooking on this Tuesday? How y'all feeling? Mm. Hope y'all enjoying this weather while we can. Cause y'all already know it ain't always gonna be like this. It was super cold in the morning, honey, when I had to walk my kids out there to the bus stop. It was cold. It get cool at night. Mm-hmm. Get real cold. But it was a nice, pretty day to walk. I did an hour walk. Thanksgiving, I'm past, honey. I'm trying to get some of this Thanksgiving food off me. Child, I went in. And I'm trying to get back in shape. With all these different holidays, they kind of throw you off. Mm-mm. We coming up to the new year. And don't nobody want to be bloated. I don't. Mm-mm. this taco up like this. Take it off there. These tacos get super messy. And delicious. Mm. Taco good, y'all. Mm. Man, it's gonna be it for me today. So y'all get on down in the kitchen, make y'all some tacos. Get on down in the kitchen. Hey. I'm sorry, I ain't give y'all none. Y'all wanna be? Do you wanna pee? It back gone. But y'all can take that last little bite though. I give it to you. Good old lettuce wrap taco. Keto style. Oh man, I'm full. And then like a smoothie. Whew. Did I just do that? Did I do that or you did that? Which one did that? I believe y'all did that. Y'all did that. Y'all made me cook these tacos on this Tuesday. And honey, I just outdid myself. Y'all in trouble. Y'all did that. Y'all in big, big trouble. Now I had to walk this meat off. Which is not ground beef. Ground turkey is good. Let me know what y'all cooking up today. Leave it down below. Let your girl know what y'all cooking. So I can try it. I can try it. Your girl want to try some new food. Y'all like sushi. I like the California egg rolls. So this might be my next. I ain't gonna tell y'all my secret, but that might be next. Yeah. Oh, baby. But anyway, I ain't gonna hold you long. I just want to come over here, show this pretty face. It's all me. Show y'all these lovely tacos I made today on this good Tuesday. It's sun outside. It might be a little chilly, but it feels good to me. But yeah, I'ma close this vlog out. Y'all be safe, be blessed. And till next time, to all my new supporters, I love y'all to the moon and back. Thank y'all for leaving good vibes down below, good comments down below. So yeah, your girl just gonna keep on rolling this thing on out for y'all. So until next time, never peace, love, and you know the rest, happiness on this channel. And bye-bye.